Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I have some updates related to Google Play Points. Now, Google Play Points rolling out in 13 more countries, mostly in Europe. Now, here you can see Google Play Points is now available in 13 more countries, 10 of which are in Europe. And here you can see the full list of all countries where now Google Play Points is available. Here you can see the list: Denmark, Finland, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland and UAE. Now if you are from these countries, now you can use Google Play Points directly from Google Play Store. It's very easy. You can use Google Play Points if you are from in these countries, okay? But if you are not from in these countries, you can also use Google Play Points by creating account, okay? And I made all these videos, okay? So if you want to create a Google Play Points account and if you are not from these countries and other countries where Google Play Points is available, you can just watching my videos, you can create Google Play Points account, and I will put all the links so that you can create Google Play Points account and you can make Play Points and you can earn points and you can use all the features of Google Play Points, okay? So here is a quick update about this. Bye, see you guys in the next video.